Hi guys, so today we're going to go over something special. Can anyone tell me what this is? Yes, it is a nail. Are nails normally sharp or dull? Yes, they're normally sharp. What would happen if I took a balloon and I poked it with my nail? You guys think it would pop? Okay. Well, what would happen if we laid on a bed of these nails? Let's say there are over 4,000 of these nails sticking straight up like this on a bed, and we were just to lay straight on top of them. What do you think would happen? If you just poke one, it kind of hurts. So what would happen if we laid on top of over 4,000? Here is some pictures of myself, my husband, and my daughter lying on a bed of nails. And as you can see, we are not crying, even though my daughter might look a little scared, but we're not crying. We also have a video showing Ellen from TV laying on a bed of nails. So here's the video.
Nails your body. Isn't that cool? You okay?
Yes.
I can't make it go down, but the up part was awesome.
Yeah.
All right, I think we're gonna be just fine.
And you can feel how sharp they are, like on my hands.
Yeah, sorry, but it's distributed across your entire body.
Okay, so that is showing exactly how you can lay on a bed of nails. As you can see, Ellen went up on her bed of nails and she was fine. So now, why is this? Why does this one single nail pop a balloon, and why does this one single nail hurt if I were to, poke my finger against it? But yet we can lay on a bed of over 4,000 or 5,000 nails. What is the reason for this?